वेलकम टू अ हेरिटेज होटल इन जयपुर। ये है उनियारा पैलेस, ग्रैंड उनियारा होटल। जयपुर का एकदम सेंटर पॉइंट में है। आइए इस रूम का टूर देते हैं। यह है 112। आइए, ये एक विंटेज वार्डरोब। ये छोटा सा टी काउंटर, टी कॉफी काउंटर। ये है द सोफा सेट with a good lamp shade there. ये है the bed with a very heritage looking mirror, a small study, TV, another two-seater sofa, couch rather, or that's the window which has got a view of the lawn here. There's a beautiful big lawn out there with some sitting arrangements as well. We can avail in the morning. Yeah, so let's now check out the main part of the room. That's the bathroom. Yeah, let's go in. Oh, it's a small bathroom compared to the room. The size of the bathroom is really small. They have provided their own branded products. And very importantly, you have missed one thing, is the hair dryer, which you regularly need it. So overall, we visited a lot of hotel properties in Jaipur. For last 2 hours, I guess, we visited kind of 10-15 properties. We actually found this property better because the other properties which we have seen are like very dimmed lighted, and as it's an old city, the overall vibe in the city is very different because it has got a lot of history, a lot of heritage. So vibing with this old heritage is a preference. So हम लोग ने वो होटल चूज कर लिया क्योंकि जो लाइटिंग एम्बियंस है इज मच बेटर देन अदर प्रॉपर्टीज, बिकॉज इसका वाइब जो है बहुत पॉजिटिव है। और दूसरे उतना कुछ खास नहीं लग रहा था क्योंकि मतलब जो एम्बियंस, जो डेकोर, जो लाइटिंग वो दूसरा होटल दे रहा था उससे काफी बेटर है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी एज वेल। तो हम लोग ने इसलिए इस होटल को चूज किया, इस रूम को चूज किया। सो दैट्स इट, मेरे तरफ से इतना ही था। तो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. Hope you like it and do share with your family and friends. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.